Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about Class 7 English Lesson 2, Owls in the Family. The story it is written by Ruskin Bond. Before going to discuss about what is there in the lesson, we will study about few more details about Ruskin Bond, who he is. He is born in May 1934 in Punjab. He likes children and he writes many books about children and he has written plenty of books for children. That is why Government of India honored him by giving different awards, like he has received Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri Award, Padma Vibhushan and Lifetime Achievement. He has received Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1992. Thereafter, he received Padma Shri from the Honorable President in the year 1999 and he also received Padma Vibhushan in the year 2014 from the President, and recently, just 3 years before 2017, he has received Lifetime Achievement. Now, we will come to know about what the author Ruskin Bond want to share with us his lesson Owls in the Family. Here he speaks about pets. We know, my dear students, some of our families, we may have pets. We may have really fond of keeping pets in our home. Everyone likes different kinds of pets. Even if I like a dog as my pet, and you may like a rabbit as your pet, otherwise some people may like about cat as their pet, some may take care of the birds, different kinds of birds or rabbits or dog or cat. It may be different, depend upon our interest, it will be different. So everyone likes to have a pet at their home, especially our small kids in our family. They like to play with the pets every time. Even though if there is a family, a nuclear family, and father and mother, if they go out for the job, maybe a child may be alone at home, that he has no time pass. He may be playing with the pet what he has. It may be with a dog, it may be a cat or rat or whoever it is maybe. He likes to spend with that pet. And otherwise, one day evening we are going out for a park for a walking. On the way, if you roadside while you are walking, you have seen a pet. Imagine that. What will you do? What will be your response? What can you do? Whether will you live there alone, or will you take it to your home and you take care of that pet, or will you find out the mother of that pet and will you give to them? Whatever it is, just as we all are human beings, we like animals, especially we like pets. Whenever we see, even it may be beautiful bird or otherwise cat or dog, whoever it is. In the story, Ruskin Bond, he shared an incident happened in his life when he was very small. That time in his house, his grandfather and grandmother was living. One day what happened? One day morning when he wake up, he saw there was a small small owlet was in his ground, in his corridor, where we say nearby his house he could find. And what he did? He just gone and carried and showed to his grandfather also. He just take care of him and keep him a place near to his bed. And he was happy to see that, and owlet was very small. And what happened? The same day, next day morning when he go out, he see another one owlet. There were two owlets were there. First day he got one, the second day he got another owlet. So both he take to his house and he given a place near to his bed, and there was a mosquito net was there. In that mosquito side way they just slept. And Ruskin Bond says that every day he could see that he will go and keep it nearby. He may say that someday it may be fallen down from the mango tree, or it may be fallen from the tamarind tree, or where they were living before the author doesn't know. And author says that the owl, they never afraid of men, but they afraid of other birds. Why? The reason is because he says that the birds may attack the owl in the daytime. That is why these owls are never come outside home. They will live in their house or they may live in the tree in the morning time, and daytime and night only they come out, because of morning if they come out other birds may attack. Then one day they saw that, and when they see outside, the mother owl was sitting on the branches of the tree, and the mother owl was searching the owl. So what happened? One day they talk about the grandfather, and the father thought to give these two owlets to the grandmother. That is why both owlets they were carried, and they thought of bringing near to the mango tree and just planned to release this in the garden. The grandmother and grandfather and the father left the owlet nearby the tamarind tree. The owl mother they came and carried these both owlets. Father was very sad that day, because last 2-3 days the owlet was with him. But next day morning when he wake up, and he was sitting in the sit out, and he could see, and he was surprised to see both small owlets was near in the veranda. While they are taking care of the veranda, when I say, then he looked at that nearby the tree. When he looked, the mother owl was there in the tree and looking at him. So it says that mother owl also saying that no problem, these two owlets can be stay in your house. So that day onwards, these two owls become a regular customer or regular person in their house. Like a family member, they started to live. If there is a place in the house which was given for them, they used to stay there. And usually grandmother, she doesn't like the other animals. But I don't know what is the reason. The grandmother also likes very much these two owlets. And grandmother usually give food. How she give a special kind of food which is known as spaghetti. And while wearing petticoat, grandmother likes to give the food to owl. So over not wearing petticoat and coming, the owls doesn't like. Owls may go and attack them. So sometimes if the grandfather want to give the food to these owls, and grandmother supposed to wear the petticoat, then he is supposed to give the food. This is the way the owls were living a happy life in their family. And their morning daytime they will sleep at home, and night they will come outside and like a security they work in their house. So after a few days what happened? The father and the grandfather they decided to make a big cage for the owl. They have made a cage. In morning daytime in this cage these two owlets will stay, because morning they cannot come outside. If they come out, what will happen? The other birds may attack. That is why they remain in the house, and night they will come out. And other days morning where there is no full time, there are no birds. That time there was a small pond was there. In that pond there was cold water. They used to take bath in that pond. Now after what happened, every day night they will come out from the cage, and they will be in the backside of the kitchen or the surroundings of the house, and they will be there, and they will safeguard the house like as a security guard. They will remain in the house. They will roam every day around the round. So this is the way was going on. The other what he did that he was thinking about his all childhood days, what will happen. Then only he remembers about that his two owlets, and he wrote about this story in his book, The Owls in the Family. This is all only he explains in the lesson, and tomorrow we will study with a new lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.